The premium smartphone market is absolutely buzzing, with all kinds of phones tailored to specific needs. From gaming-specific phones to camera-centric flagships, there's something for everyone. But you know what's been missing so far? A phone that combines the power of a camera phone with the gaming prowess of a dedicated gaming phone. And that's where the Nubia Z60 Ultra comes in to save the day. This incredible device aims to fill that unique niche, giving you the best of both worlds. So, say goodbye to compromise and get ready for a phone that lets you capture breathtaking photos, while also delivering an exceptional gaming experience with the Nubia Z60 Ultra. You can have it all. Before we dive deeper into the exciting world of the Nubia Z60 Ultra, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell. By doing so, you'll never miss out on any of the awesome content coming your way. So go ahead and tap that subscribe button and get ready for a wild ride of tech goodness. Before we jump into testing, let's kick things off with a quick unboxing session, shall we? When you crack open that box of the Nubia Z60 Ultra, you'll find some cool goodies waiting for you. It comes with a sturdy hard plastic case to keep your phone protected, an 80W charger that'll juice up your device in no time, and a trusty USB-C cable to keep you connected. So, get ready to unbox and unleash the power of the Nubia Z60 Ultra. Enjoy the whole package. You won't believe the specs of the Nubia Z60 Ultra. It's a full-fledged flagship, packed with a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip that'll give you lightning-fast performance. And get this, it can have up to a whopping 24 gigabytes of RAM. Not only that, but it's also IP68 waterproof, so you can take it with you wherever you go, without worrying about water damage. And here's the cherry on top. It features an under-display camera, giving you a seamless, uninterrupted display experience. The Nubia Z60 Ultra is truly a beast of a phone. Let's talk about the camera system on the Nubia Z60 Ultra. On paper, it's truly impressive. ZTE has gone the extra mile by sticking with a physical 35mm main lens, which has got photographers, especially the old-school ones, absolutely thrilled. The 35mm lens offers a narrower field of view, compared to the more common 23 to 24mm focal length we see these days. But guess what? That narrower field of view actually gives you a fantastic subject-to-background separation, creating that lovely bokeh effect or background blur that we all adore. And we can't forget about the Nubia Z60 Ultra's ample 1.49-inch sensor, which plays a significant role in capturing those stunning shots. So, get ready to capture some breathtaking photos with this incredible camera setup. Let's talk about the design and build of the Nubia Z60 Ultra. This phone takes on a rectangular shape with thick sides, giving it a unique and distinct look. And yes, it is a bit on the heavier side, weighing in at 246 grams. But hey, that weight comes with a sweet benefit, a massive 6,000 battery. So, while it may feel a little hefty in the hand, you'll have plenty of power to keep you going throughout the day. Charge up and enjoy all the features this phone has to offer. This phone is encased in a sleek matte metal casing that's not only pleasing to the touch, but also a treat for the eyes. Its smooth texture adds a premium feel, and the matte finish gives it a classy and elegant look. So, not only will you enjoy the tactile experience of holding it, but you'll also love showing it off to your friends. It's the perfect combination of style and substance. Please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell.
Play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't